Hello, I'm Dr. Nitin Goje, working as a professor and program lead of computer science at Webster University, Tashkent. I hold bachelor, master and PhD in computer science. At Webster, I'm teaching computer networks, databases, computer programming, ERP systems, focusing on practical skills and industry relevance. In my classes, students gain the hands-on experience on Wireshark, MySQL, C++, SAP HANA. And apart from this, they can also develop their critical thinking and problem-solving skills so that they can prepare in the IT industry. I would like to give them the advice be curious, be engaged and stay focused and try to actually solve the real world problems by applying their practical knowledge they are learning in computer science. Webster offers a global education, modern facilities and strong industry connections. Our curriculum blends theory with the hands-on experience, preparing students for the future of technology. If you seek innovation, career growth and global opportunities, Webster is the great place for you.